Welcome to Chefing with Shell.
I got a bug.
Pick up the ingredients. Yeah. Not me getting emotional. What the hell? Before we even get into this, I'm going to put a disclaimer that this video did not start on a high note. I've been sitting on this footage for a little while. I was contemplating if I even wanted to include it in a vlog at all. I do believe in a little bit of transparency here and there. I'm going to show you guys the high moments and the low moments, but going forward, I'm not going to be showing too much of the low moments anymore, because the last thing I want to do is go on my favorite YouTuber's videos and she's sad. It's gonna make me sad, and I don't want nobody to feel sorry for me. And I just want to let you guys know that I'm already over it. I don't feel that way anymore. I am fine. Yeah, just had to give that heads up. Goodbye. So I think I had to get a bit comfortable to have this conversation. And the thing is, I don't even know what this conversation is going to be about, but I feel like I need to somewhat vent before I can upload a proper video. It might not make sense to you guys, but it makes sense to me. If you guys watched my last video, it is my entrepreneur vlog. It's gonna be my new series, taking you guys along my journey relaunching my businesses. Seashells, about a home decor and appliances business, a little variety store, and I'm also relaunching my graphic business, which is Edits by Shell. I used to do YouTube intros, outros. Now I'm focusing more on logos and business cards and content creation for businesses. I'll just capture all the content for you. Just had to plug that in there. I have been feeling very lately, and this is why I look like this. I think yesterday I decided to put these press-ons on because I haven't had nails on since the last time I actually had on gel-X was for my birthday, and then after that I bought some press-ons and I had them on for about 2 weeks or so. I took them off and I have just been rocking my natural nails since. I was feeling very sorry for myself, so I decided to just do that. I know in a few of my vlogs I did tell you guys that I'm trying to build a relationship with God, and I guess because of that I'm starting to see a lot more TikToks about similar situations. I guess I'm seeing them more because I stopped skip them. You know, when you actually sit down and watch certain types of videos, more videos like that will come up on your For You page. So enough time I will see some video and I'm gonna talk about God and the Bible, etc, etc, and I'll be like skip, don't want to hear it. But as of recently, I've started to take the time out to actually listen to what a lot of these videos are saying, and I agree with a lot of them, and I repost it. Like sometimes I used to question if I wanted to repost them or not, because people are going to be like, why should we be posting this, or like why should we be posting this? But at the same time, why do I feel any type of way about reposting anything about God? I don't know. I also saw a video where they say, when you finally decide that you want to have a relationship with God, or you're trying to build a stronger relationship. I want to eat my food there. I'm sorry, I ordered some food and the rider should be here soon. Yeah, they say that when you decide to start building or strengthening your relationship with God is when a lot of things are going to go downhill for you. And when I tell you a lot of things not me getting emotional, what the hell, a lot of things have been going so wrong. Whew, my bad. I don't know how to explain it. It is like I am in a phase of confusion because so many bad things are happening, but so many good things are also happening. The other day, something really just broke me. I don't remember if I actually said it in a vlog or if I was saying it on live, that I was literally just cussing God. And I don't want nobody in the comments to talk about, you shut up. Just be quiet. Me and my relationship with God, we know what's going on. Okay? And I was upset. I told him I was upset. He was like, child, anyways, so what you were asking for, you clearly were not ready for, you were not prepared for it, and I was not going to give it to you. Simple as that. I think what he did was his way of telling me that I need to get my shit together. That's what I've been doing. It really gave me the motivation to start back my businesses that I just left in the wind. And some other little things that I'm working on, it pushed me to do all of those things that I've been wanting to do. It's not like I never wanted to continue or I never wanted to do them in the first place. I felt like I was being a little complacent, if that's the right word I should use. Yeah, but they're just too comfortable and God did have to shake me up. I did do my big apologies and all of that, cause me I say, you You clearly know what's best, and you don't give things to people when they want it. You give things to people when you think they need it. I just had to step back and let God do his thing. In the moment, of course, I was angry. I was like, I have been praying, I've been doing all the right things, I've been doing what I'm supposed to. I'ma still not get what I want. Like, why always wicked people always get what I want? I was so mad. Oh, you have to do me this. I didn't do anything to deserve this, and it's like I just felt like he kept doing things and doing things and doing things. And at the end of it, just get mad, bro. I don't know if I'm feeling all emotional as well because I am PMSing, and I'm not gonna lie, I feel like after I wrap this video up, my period is going to come. And maybe that's why I'm so bally. Like from morning, I'm just a ball. I'm just so overwhelmed. I'm so sorry if my voice is like shaking or crackly or anything like that. I have a little problem with oversharing. Sometimes I can just shut. I think I also do that because I've stopped venting to my friends. It's not like I'm talking about my business on live, don't get me wrong. It's just, obviously stuff that people can relate to. I was talking about my apartment hunting journey that I have now stopped. Some of the places are really nice within my budget, but it's always up to the landlord to pick who they want, and they never pick me. So that was also frustrating me. My realtor was like, you may have to up your budget, and that just sent me flying. I was like, listen, bro, maybe God has something ready for this year. Summer too high. Good evening, afternoon, 3:35 p.m. and today is Saturday, the Gen X band launch. Rain been a fall. I can't remember when last I took up the camera outside of doing my business series because I am going to be consistent with that. But for a regular vlog, I think I took a break, or I wanted to turn the last vlog into a visual. No. This is some honey, rum, and lime. Yeah, this not really makes sense to me. I like the real thing. I like making it from scratch because I don't know, it just tastes better when it made from scratch. But it's a little bit addicting because it does taste very similar to how I make it when I make it from scratch. The only thing that's missing is garlic and cayenne pepper and a little bit of marijuana. So band launch is today. I absolutely have nothing to wear. Yes and no. So ignore the belt. I got these pants, right? I bought these pants. They're like cargo pants, and I wanted to wear it with this shirt. I want sneakers and a beanie. Yeah, this beanie with it, right? Pants big till it can't big no more. And I also was gonna wear this bag with it because I'm going to 2 events. So there's the band launch, and there is another event, some event called Heineken Silver or something of the sort. Obviously, as the name suggests, I would like to wear silver or something that involves silver. And plus, I just really like silver accessories anyways. Here Nadu, as you can see, I have not had lashes in months. Sash just opened her new lash shop. I've never paid for lashes a day in my life, but it want, like, I just woke up and decided I want the lashes, and I know she's fairly new. I was just hoping and praying that she had a slot for today. So she has one at, well, she had one at 4 o'clock, but she texted me not too long and said her 1 o'clock came late. So she's asking if I can come at 4:30, which is fine. Thing is, I never want to stay on the road too late because I really need to come back and figure out my outfit and stuff, and my hair, because my hair was supposed to be done from Thursday, but rain did that here. We rescheduled to yesterday, rain did that here, so we rescheduled to Monday. And it is just so sad that today it did not rain and I could have gotten my hair done today, but none of us knew that it was not going to rain today. So I have to wait till Monday to get my hair done, so I have to draw on a wig. And I just remembered that I have this really cute wig that I like, and I think that's the one I'm going to wear. So I need to put it on from my head, like, no, because it's 3:39, my appointment is 4:30, and it's a reinstall, so I don't think it should take too long. I just need to find the wig. That is what is on the agenda. Don't know if I'm going to bring my camera to vlog. I don't know. I think because I'm so busy now, I've given myself stuff to do. I don't think you guys understand, or I don't even really think I understand, but there is this thing with me. I felt like I was doing enough, even though deep down I knew I was not doing enough with my life. I really felt like at one point I could have taken the easy way out, and it doesn't work for everybody, and it's clearly not working for me. It was not working for me, so I decided that I'm just going to get back into what I actually wanted to do from the get-go and stop being lazy. I got my 2 businesses up and running again, and I have just been go ever since, trying to plan things, trying to sort this out, trying to sort that out, shipments, stock coming in, edits going out, plus my YouTube stuff, plus my other content creation stuff. It's just so much going on, and I am not really mad about it. I am actually happy that I have something to do now. Yeah, may I go find a wig, put it on my head, and I guess in the next clip you guys will see me with it on my head, because I am not doing that on camera. Worse, because the rainfall and some part of my room flood out right now, and I don't know where it's leaking, because every time it happens I'm not here. I'm very tired of cleaning that shit up. I need to just go out and have some fun tonight. Okay? And I just felt like I needed to reward myself with some lashes. Yeah. See y'all later. After many trials and tribulations and tears, such stress wasn't it? The taxi man outside a wait for me. I'm just a behave like saying,
You ain't got no.
I'm me driving. For a 10-minute face? No go on loud. Thank you. Pick up the graduates. Yeah, right too. Yeah. Jesus, talking start. This is very far. So let me just explain what happened. It's the next day. Usually I will take a Knutsford to come to Portland, but the Knutsfords, they don't drive through Junction anymore. I guess because a lot of people are not going to Portland, so them just do one trip, go to Ochi and then go to Portland. So it takes like 4 or 5 hours for me to get from Kingston to Port Antonio. I have back problems. I cannot sit down so long without being in pain. So at least not in those chairs. If it's a car ride, then fine, because you know I can always lie down or adjust myself properly. But in a bus with so many people, just sitting down in that one position for the entire time, it is very taxing. So long story short, I didn't want to take the Knutsford, and I always jump on a coaster. So I was like, you know what, fine, let me just jump on the coaster. First things first, it was raining a little bit, so I was kind of fretting and hoping it didn't rain, because the coaster man them kind of drive strange sometimes, and I didn't want an accident or anything to happen. I wanted to rent a car, but by the time I decided to leave Kingston, it was kind of late, and I didn't want my first time driving through Junction by myself to be in the night. So I said, all right, fine, let me just take the coaster. For some reason, I still had a gut feeling that something bad was going to happen, and I was praying and praying and praying and praying to God that, yo, nothing happened to me or anybody else in the bus, or, you know, anything like that. Just my luck. As soon as I get to, let's say, Norwich, I call Daddy and ask him to come pick me up. Normally, I surprise him, but I just couldn't bother. I had a very long day and I was so exhausted, so I couldn't bother to take a taxi and then pop up at home, so I asked him to come pick me up. Not even a minute after I hung up the phone, the bus crashed into the taxi. The taxi man was at fault. He stopped suddenly in the middle of the road. Another car was already coming in the opposite direction, so the bus had nowhere to go other than either in the back of the taxi man or in the wall. If that wall was not strong enough, the entire bus would have ended up a gully. And when I tell you everybody was screaming and stuff, and I was just there sitting down just looking. If anything, I was just more annoyed. And I think I'm just so desensitized, or I just always think that the worst is going to happen, that I just never know how to react. I just didn't react. I was just really happy that nothing worse happened, but that gut feeling, your gut feeling is, yo, my intuition is so strong. I just knew something bad was going to happen, but I'm happy that God covered me and the bus and nobody got hurt. So yeah, that's what happened for that. So I had to call Daddy, and like literally the minute after I call him, I'm gonna tell him, so well, the bus crashed. He was like, what? So luckily he came for me and I was fine to go home. It wasn't very, very far from my house that accident happened. So that was that. So when I came home, I just was catching up with him and my aunt, because my aunt came down from overseas and she's here for a little while and she's leaving on Friday. Today is now Wednesday, so I came yesterday and I wanted to spend some time with her. She's been here for almost, well, basically a month, and I didn't get to spend any time with her. And I have not seen my dad in months either, so I really wanted to come. So I made it my point of duty to be here. And I also needed a break from Kingston. I have just been working. I've been burnt out, I've been exhausted. I hate the place where I live. I don't know the drill. So I really just needed a breather. So that's why I really was forcing myself to come. But I have 0 minutes left, so I will continue this chat a little later. That was just my updates, okay? Good afternoon, night. So guys, it is the next day. No, I'm lying. It is the same day after.
Oh, you're vlogging.
The Ochi thing. Yeah. Today I go work, girl. It's the same night, because clearly I don't rest. Over here with one knee. It is a no. You see, me telling Mr. She have me up in there, because I was telling them earlier that I felt bad about not going to either's party.
Party to the birthday, everything.
You see, tell her say she not gonna have me on.
That's my other year.
We're here and we're gonna decorate a tree. The tree is not
Where's the tree
here yet,
here?
but you know, we have the decor. Yeah, and that's all that matters. String out all the lights. These are all blue lights, by the way. So now for the reveal of the tree.
The cat. What? Wait, talking about that?
Oh my god, this is a real Christmas tree, guys. I'm not used to these things, like real Christmas trees. I'm so used to the fake trees. So nice. It's the next day because I fell asleep before the tree was even decorated. We ended up going on the road for food, and then yeah, we dropped asleep exactly which part I'm gonna sit down. I wanted to take a nap because when I tell you my body is in shambles, extremely exhausted, I needed a break. And I just ended up falling asleep. When I woke up, the tree was already decorated. I'll show you that in a second, but right now I'm trying to kind of get ready for a meeting. It's a Zoom meeting. I'm going to pull up my hair today, come here, cream it tomorrow. Trying my best not to scratch it any more than I have already scratched it. I'm out of breath. I'm still not feeling the feeling. I don't like that. Gonna wash my face and brush my teeth and all of that. Do this meeting, and then I'm gonna go home and edit my vlog, the girls trip vlog. Hopefully I can have that out by Thursday, because I want it to be out before the weekend. That's the update. Well, say goodbye. To the ear. One already. Man, for some weekend, we can't even have sun.
Yeah.
Damn, this is sharp. I be careful look at my ear long.
Not long.
Yeah, my ear long.
Go for it, go down there.
My ear not so long.
Go for it, cut it down exactly where I go.
Oh no, I'm not.
That's a bomb.
That's how the ear look. Yeah. Well.
Even. Yeah, something.
Good morning. I am back home. I don't think you have seen this background in a little while because clearly we not even know it. But this is what my hair is looking like after I pulled it out. It's after 11 now. My hair appointment is at 12, so that's where I'm going to go. I need to get my hair relaxed. Like my ear just want to do. My ear just want to do. I haven't relaxed it in about 2 months or so. It has really grown. It has really grown. Like my hair is on my nose. Talk to me nice and it'll talk to me twice. Okay? Okay? Like the back is still trying. For some reason I feel like there's a little bit of breakage around here. And bro, when I was pulling this out, the amount of dirt that's accumulated in the scalp, I don't understand. I did not even have this hairstyle in for a month. So I don't really understand that. But anyways, I don't have much space left on this SD card, so I will see you guys when I get to the hairdresser. Bye! First of all, this is what my hair looks like after I fluffed it and it kind of pulled out. It'll just a little bit, but it's still cute, still cute. I have to mess it up a bit more, but whatever. Welcome to Chefing with Shell. Today we'll be doing my famous fried stuffed chicken breasts with mashed potatoes and maybe some mac and cheese on the side. Where are the chicken? As I was saying, I'm waiting for these plates to be washed.
I plate them here.
Do you plate them there?
Okay,
Because I was going to use the sink, but we decided to say, yeah, go wash them plates. I'll be back when that is all cleaned. In the meantime, I have the cutting board, chicken over there, so I'm going to wash it with some vinegar. I don't have the onion and the scallion and them someday. We have dry seasoning, so we're gonna work with what we have, okay? Okay.
You know, like a housewife, yo, I should plate them, yo, yeah.
No, I cooked. So it's common courtesy for you to wash the dishes like you said you would.
Yo, I should plate them, pussy.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
I should plate them.
It's giving Halloween. Drunk. So I brought a camera so I can try to take a picture or two. But me I go stop talk to them because I be a music and you can't hear me. Bye. Bye. Cheers. We're not at work. Yeah, but we're not working. We're not at work. Because we love y'all. Exactly. Content. That's it.
Track hog, say he wanna eat it. Put that shit in court, bend it over. I'm from St. Louis, say he like my work. Tell that bad nigga, cash out for a whip. If he want my work.